Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? I'm just getting ready to head on to work here. I've got a photo shoot to do. If you're not a fan of Monty Python, then this might not be cool for you. But what you want to do is easy enough. You're just going to come in here and change the name of your vehicle to, we'll do Patsy here. And you get a little, you get a little fart noise. But also, when you jump into your entertainment section here, you're going to see a new icon that comes up here, which is Monty Python. Real simple and easy. It just takes you over to your the YouTube channel on the Monty Python there and does a search for it. So that's pretty much what it is. You can subscribe to it. You can watch it from $12.99 there apparently, and funny little Easter egg like that that slams a foot down and makes a fart noise. Now you for sure know that Elon is going to give you one of the best names out there, which is Biggus Dickus, and that one that one works as well. So you can try Patsy. You can check all of the different characters in Monty Python there and do that there. So I want to say thank you guys for watching, like, and subscribe, and I hope you appreciate this one here. And get out there and get that foot stomp. I'll see you guys again later.